Bonjour la classe. Welcome to French 135. French for professional students. 1. This lecture is recorded for week 3, topic 1 material that was uploaded on the LMS. And in the last recorded video, the previous recorded lecture, we discussed the types of articles. Articles définis, les articles indéfinis et les articles partitifs. But today, we are discussing l'article contracté. L'article contracté. In French, when a definite article is preceded by the preposition à or de, a contraction or a fusion of the two may occur. And the contraction that takes place usually leads to the word formation of some prepositions. A contracted article is thus formed as shown below. Now, don't forget that for week 3 lessons, we are treating l'article contracté et les prépositions. So, don't worry, we are going to talk about the preposition à or de. These are two types of prepositions, although we still have some more other type of prepositions. But for contracted articles, it is these two articles that are mostly used, as you are going to be seeing in the next slide. Here we said when you are forming a contracted article with a, this is a preposition. Now look at the formation here. You have a plus le. You can see that this le here is a definite article. And then the preposition that you get when you combine a plus le together will give you what? O, which is a new form of what? Preposition. You can see you are using one preposition with a definite article, and it's producing a new type of preposition. O, this preposition is pronounced O. To the, at the, for masculine singular. And then when you have a preposition a plus L apostrophe, you have what? A L apostrophe. As you can see that this one, that the L apostrophe is a definite article that is used before a vowel or silent H, which means what? To the, at the. Okay, but here they do not contract totally for both masculine and feminine singular nouns. Okay, and then when you have this preposition a plus la, the definite article la, it gives you what? Allah. Allah. So you see that it means to the or at the for feminine singular, and they do not contract totally. Okay, a plus le. Now we're talking about the plural form now. Le, the plural version form of what? The definite article. It gives you o, aux, okay, which means what? To the, at the, for masculine and feminine noun. Okay, we are going to see how they are used in different sentences very soon. Now, I said when you are using when you want to have contracted articles, you combine them with what? Preposition a or de. Okay, now we've talked about preposition a. Now this is with the as a preposition. You have de plus le. Okay, de is a preposition here, plus le definite article gives you what? Du, which means of the, from the, for masculine singular. Now you have de plus les. Okay? De plus les gives you de. That's the plural version. Gives you the plural version of the, from the. Okay? And then you have de plus L apostrophe. Okay? They do not, this is used before a vowel or a silent H. And they do not contract totally for masculine and feminine noun. Okay? But here you have this. You have de la. De la also do not, they do not also contract totally, and they are used for feminine singular. Okay, now let's look at examples. Look at these examples here. Look at them and how they are illustrated. Look at the sentence. Je parle au garçon. Je parle au garçon. I speak to the boy. Now, can you see the arrow under AU? It shows you the combination of preposition and definite article that gave us this new preposition now. Oh, don't forget we are talking about contracted article. And I said contracted articles are what mostly gotten from preposition, the combination of preposition a or de plus what definite articles. As you can see here in our example, je parle au garçon. I speak to the boy. Okay, a plus le. Okay, you can see that the preposition that is gotten is in bold here. Nous allons à l'hôpital. Nous allons à l'hôpital. There's not any arrow under à l'hôpital because it does not contract totally. So it still remains like that. The L apostrophe is there and the preposition is still there. Okay? Il va à la chasse. The same thing goes with this. Can you see? À la. Okay? Il va à la chasse. He goes hunting. Okay? He goes hunting. He goes hunting. Okay? Elle parle au garçon. Now, look at this now. Elle parle au garçon. She speaks to the boys. You have what? A plus les. Now give us AUX. Au garçon. The contraction of A and les gives us AUX. Elle parle au garçon. The plural form. Okay? Elle parle au garçon. Now, for de and preposition de and definite articles, you have examples such as il vient du village. Il vient du village. It comes from the village. Can you see? Du was gotten from the combination of de plus le. Okay, the combination of de plus le. Can you see that? It comes from the village. Okay, and then you have another example. C'est le jouet du garçon. C'est le jouet du garçon. You can see the arrow under the new preposition that is gotten from the contraction of de plus le. Okay, now the next sentence here is what? La femme arrive de l'hôpital. La femme arrive de l'hôpital. You can see the woman arrives from the hospital. You can see that de and L apostrophe do not contract totally. So the L apostrophe still remains there, while the de also still remain the same. The same thing goes for the next sentence. You are seeing here, Charles est le responsable de la classe. Charles est le responsable de la classe. You can see de la. Okay? And then the last sentence we have here is what? Nous balayons les feuilles des arbres. Nous balayons les feuilles des arbres. Can you see? They was gotten from de and les. Okay, the contraction of de and les gave us des arbres. Okay, and then here is a table that shows you all the different kind of articles we've treated. Okay, now apart from definite, indefinite participles, we've also talked about contracted articles. You can see them in the table here. Article défini, article indéfini, article contracté, article partitif. As you can see them in the table, the masculine form, the feminine form, and the plural form of all these articles are what you are going to be seeing on this table. Okay, so like I said before, except for some little adjustment, so the slide to this lecture will also be sent to you along with the recording. Okay, and they are also the same thing you have in your textbook and in the material that is uploaded on the LMS. Okay, merci de votre attention. Thank you for listening et à la prochaine. Au revoir.